Sorry. I don't think I feel like sleeping this story. Except when you heard it, I was like, what the heck? I was not scared. I was like, not me, I was sleeping. It's not scared. I'm gonna take a little walk soon. Okay, I'm definitely dressed.